Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this magnetic wireless power bank. So here I have an iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is charged up, has a battery in it. It's going to wirelessly attach to it, and then you can charge your phone with it. That is really neat. When I take it off, it stops. It's held on there with a magnet. It uses MagSafe. Okay, so there's a battery inside here. How are we going to charge it? There's a USB-C port where you can charge it. Then we can press this little button right here, and it's going to show us how much battery. That's got it's nice and steady in real life. It's 78% charged. Okay, so it does come with this USB-A to USB-C cable. This is how you're going to charge it up. So plug it in. If that digit is flashing, the right-hand digit is flashing, that means that it's charging. Now, I do have a lightning cable here. So if you have a lightning cable, you can charge it with lightning right here. And that right-hand digit will be flashing. Now here I've got it plugged in, and let's charge the phone with it plugged in at the same time. All right, so it will charge the battery pack and the phone up at the same time. Around back this is a kickstand. You can put it in different positions so you can have it hold your phone up. So here I can put my phone on it. It will charge it. It charges it and kickstands it, so it's standing upright. I can also do it sideways, and it charges it and holds it sideways. So it is pretty cool. It is magnetic, so you can stick this on either way to a magnet surface. So the wireless charging output is capable of 5 watts, 7.5 watts, 10 watts, or 15 watts. Now you can also use this as a standard battery bank. You could plug a USB-C cable in here and charge up a phone that way. USB-A, you can plug a USB. So I could like plug my cable in here, and then I could charge up another device like this. Even a lightning cable. I could plug a lightning cable in here and charge up, my phone with, say my phone doesn't have the MagSafe capability, I could just charge up my phone this way. And that's a lightning input. So the Type-C is 5 volts 3 amps or 9 volts 2 amps. The Lightning is an input only 9 volts 3 amps. Oh, okay. The Type-C is 5 volts input or 9 volts. Output is 5 volts 3 amps, 9 volts 2.2 amps or 9 volts 2 amps. The USB output is 5 volts 3 amps, 9 volts 2.2 amps, 12 volts 1.5 amp, 5 volts 4.5 amps or 4.5 volts at 5 amps. Okay, let's measure it. 4 inches that way, 3 5/8 that way, and it's not very thick. Maybe ½ inch thick. Feels real nice. It's kind of slick, but yet rubbery. Again, just press that button for the display to show you how much battery percentage it has. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.